Let me talk in this video about while and repeat. So to get started, I'll get to create a new file. I'll name it while repeat. Okay, and here you go. I'm done. So this is my file. So before I would talk about while and repeat, let me just do basic example about for loop. Just for index in the range like 1 to 10, and you print the index. Okay, you say print 4, then you just show you the index of the 4. So you understand what this means. You have list between when you print from 1 to 10 in your output, which is we already discussed it. But how I do this thing in the while also, same thing. So initial value 1. So in while, first of all, you have to define your initial value. So you suppose you have a count will be equal 1, the initial value. Then you add the condition. You say from 1 to 10, like less than or equal 10. You say while the condition, you say the count less than or equal 10. Then what you need to do, for example, here he print, as I told you, just you say, for example, while you print the count. But because the count need to increment, you say count equal count plus 1. But you know, spacing is better to make your code readable. So this code do exactly same what this code do, but different way of writing the code, different format. You see, this is for loop from 1 to 10, and this is while loop from 1 to 10. But the good thing here in while, you give the initial value, you give your condition, and you give here your increment value, and you write your block of code. You could see this block of code could have anything, could have if statement, whatever you could have in it. There's another tool named repeat. You could also do, for example, count for repeat. You give it 1 initial value, then you write word repeat. Okay, repeat, then the code that you want to repeat it, then the condition. See this, I just added the condition here. Here he will have the condition in the end. Then you give it the increment value. You say count equal count plus 1. Oops, you keep saying this line, an increment value. Then you write your code here. You write your block of code here. Okay, you say, for example, this one for repeat. Okay, this one is still same as the for loop, the while loop or for loop, but different format. So this one, write condition, check the condition, print and increment. Write condition, initial value, print, increment, check condition. All these give you same thing, same results, but different formatting. But what's the difference between repeat and while? There have to be a different. Think about, you give here 11 and you give here 11. What do you think the output? So the output is really clear. When he come here, check the count. Is the 11 less than 10? No, so he will not run this code. So for that reason, you don't see anything about while. Why do you see something about repeat? Why? Because repeat, he started with 11, he printed, he increased it, he checked the condition. So one difference between repeat and while. In repeat, he print the block of code, then he checked the condition. While he checked the condition before he do anything. So you will see later on, in some cases we use this one, and other cases we use this one. It depends. Sometimes we need to print before check the condition, so this will be our solution or the best solution. Something we need to check, then print the condition, then this one, do this one. So these both, they check then they print, but this one he print then he will check. So you would see this one is exactly same as this one, just different way of writing code. While this one, the structure is different totally. So yes, this is all about the loops. So hopefully you understand it. Everything was clear. Thank you for watching and see you next.